Hello friends, hope so you all are fine. Today we have a question square root of 5x which is equal to cube root of 4x, and we have to find the value of x here. So let's start its solution. 5x is equal to cube root of 4x. Now we will take square on both sides. So square and square root will be cancelled out, so it will become 5x, and from here 4x, and cube root can be written as 1 divided by 3 and its square. So we know that a raised to the power mn is equal to a raised to the power n whole power m, and it is also equal to a raised to the power m whole power n. So 5x is equal to, we will convert this form into this form, so it will become 4x square and its whole power 1 divided by 3. So it will become 5x which is equal to 4x square, and we will again write it as cube root. Now we will take cube on both sides to remove this cube root. So it will become 5x raised to the power 3 which is equal to cube root of 4x square and its whole cube. So cube and cube root will be cancelled out, and 5x cube will be equal to 125x cube, and from here we have remaining 4x whole square. So 125x cube is equal to 4 squares means 16 and x squares means x square. So from here we can write it as 125x cube minus 16x square which is equal to 0. Now in these two terms we have x square is common, so it will become 125x minus 16 which is equal to 0. Now we have two factors, so either x square is equal to 0 or 125x minus 16 is equal to 0. So we will take square root on both sides, so it will become x is equal to 0. And from here 125x is equal to 16, and the value of x is 16 divided by 125. Now we will check that the values of x satisfy our given equation or not. So obviously 0 will satisfy this equation because it will become 0 and it is also equal to 0. So square root and cube root of 0 is equal to 0. So we will check for x is equal to 16 divided by 125. So we have given equation 5x square root which is equal to cube root of 4x. So it will become 5, and x is 16 divided by 125. 16 divided by 125 which is equal to cube root of 4 into 16 divided by 125. So from here 5 and 25, 5 1 time 5, 5 25 time 125, so it will become square root of 16 divided by 25, and it is equal to cube root of 4 into 16, 64 divided by 125. So it can be written as 4 divided by 5 whole square, and it can be written as 4 divided by 5 whole cube. So from here square and square root will be cancelled out, and from here cube and cube root will be cancelled out. So it will become 4 divided by 5 is equal to 4 divided by 5. It means the value of x is 16 divided by 125, satisfy our given equation. Hope so you will like my video. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.